Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Is something fishy about Friday's restocking of the Rio Cobre? Well, the People's National Party leader Mark Golding has claimed responsibility for the initiative, but Windalco and the National Fisheries Authority have rejected those claims. Kelisha Williams has that story.
The long-awaited restocking of the Rio Cobre on Friday saw dozens of people gathering at the flat bridge. The initiative to revive the fish stock in the polluted river was said to be led by Windalco, following a directive by the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA. But the People's National Party has claimed responsibility.
Mark Golding reached out to some persons that he knew and asked them if they would be willing to donate fish to repopulate the river, to actually help with local economic development and help to revive the ecosystem. And it took a little bit longer than we would have liked to happen, due to some regulatory issues, etc., etc. But we're happy that we're able to be here today for the first part of it to happen.
Lenroy James represented PNP President Mark Golding during the exercise on Friday.
Yes, we can say it's Mark Golding fish, but it's for the people. So he's giving it to the people. He asked for it for the people, not for himself.
Then Mark Golding later took to social media and said, quote, "Promise made, promise kept," unquote. The PNP also issued a statement reaffirming those claims. It said Mr. Golding has fulfilled his promise to restock the Rio Cobre with fingerlings following a devastating incident of a toxic effluent spill and fish kill last year. In collaboration with fish farmer Mr. Donny Bunting, 3,000 Rocky Mountain white fingerlings supplied by Mr. Bunting at the request of Mr. Golding were released into the Rio Cobre, and an additional 17,000 fingerlings will be deposited in the coming months. However, when TVJ News spoke to Human Resources Director at UC Rosal Windalco, Glendon Johnson, this is what he had to say.
Was Mark Golding a part of this as well? I understand that he also helped in sourcing some of the fish?
No, not at all. I think what you might be confusing is I don't understand that. It doesn't have anything to do with that, really.
And on Saturday, the National Fisheries Authority said only UC Rosal Windalco has been issued a permit to restock the Rio Cobre with no more than 30,000 tilapia seed stock, fry and fingerling at multiple locations within the watershed, and only UC Rosal Windalco and the competent authorities have been involved in the restocking. The authority further indicated that over 8,000 tilapia seed stock were introduced to the Rio Cobre on Friday, over 4,000 near Flat Bridge, and over 4,000 at the Rio Pedro tributary in the vicinity of the Bog Walk Bridge. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.